Envision an Elfy new you! Join Shinny the Elf as he shows you how you can make the most of yourself, your time with others, and even the year to come. So this is a little brief tour of how it works. So Shinny will parachute into your platform of choice. It could be Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx, Google Meets, whichever you prefer. Then what will happen is, depending on your time, it could be 15 minutes, it could be an hour, it could be with one person, it could be with unlimited, however many we can get together. Shinny will go through the ways you can transform your year to come. So here's some examples of what we're going through. We'll be going through such things as time management, how to go for your outcome instead of getting lost in to-do lists, how to delegate better to people, and how to get the things done that need to be done, the 20% of activities that get 80% of the results. We'll be going through how to be kinder to yourself, how to be kinder to others, and how to live more in happiness and gratitude than dread and despair. We'll show you how to become more successful. We'll show you the 6 human needs that everyone needs, whether you're a human or an elf, and how that can revolutionize your life. We'll show you how to get more energy and how to energize your life. How to give more to other people around you, your friends, family, and your spouse. How to even be a better lover this Christmas. How you can get more out of the time with your loved ones. How to make habits that stick, so when you come back after the new year, you're ready to rock and roll. And instead of promising to go to the gym, you'll be doing things that aren't on a whim. You'll get things done that no one else will. And you'll be the one that steps up as the big deal. And we make it fun. We can even pepper it with scavenger hunts and games, such as Mr. and Mrs. Claus. So instead of it being overwhelming, we make everything entertaining. So join Shinny the Elf and envision an Elfy new you. It can last from 15 minutes to an hour, and it can be as many people as you can get onto your link. We make everything fun, simple, and accessible. And pictures can be taken at the end of the event to mark and commemorate the celebratory occasion. Pictures of your whole team smiling and cheering and learning something new. So we can make your party go out with a bang, and we'll set you up to make the most of the new year to come. So that's Envision an Elfy new you! Treat yourself this Christmas and step your life up.